Have you ever wondered how to make your YouTube channel flourish with more views, more subscribers, and more engagement? Well, you're about to discover some powerful strategies that can make it happen. Power playlists are like regular playlists, but with a twist. They are organized by outcomes, not topics. For example, instead of compiling a playlist titled Summer Recipes, try recipes to get you through the summer heat. This way, you're promising a result, which is a great hook for viewers. The second strategy is to publish long videos. YouTube's algorithm favors longer, more engaging content, so give your audience a reason to stick around. Create content that is in-depth and rich in value that your viewers wouldn't want to miss a second of it. Next, make use of your end screen. This is the perfect opportunity to promote other videos. It's a simple yet effective method to keep viewers on your channel and exploring your content. Up next, add a brand watermark to your videos. This not only protects your content, but also serves as a constant reminder of your brand. It's a subtle yet powerful way to reinforce your brand identity. Next, focus on video quality. In the era of high definition, quality matters. Invest in good equipment and editing software. A high-quality video will make your content more enjoyable and more professional. Engaging with your audience is vital. Make it a habit to reply to every comment. This not only builds a strong community, but also shows your audience that you value their input and feedback. Your channel description is another crucial element. Make it compelling. Tell your viewers why they should subscribe and what value they will get from your content. Now let's talk about subscriber magnets. These are videos that drive subscriptions. Identify your top-performing videos and funnel viewers towards them. Your channel icon is the first impression viewers have of your brand. Make it count. Use an awesome, eye-catching icon that represents your brand. Create a channel tagline. This is a quick and catchy phrase that encapsulates what your channel is all about. It helps viewers instantly understand the content and ethos of your channel. Try hearting comments. This is a great way to show appreciation for your viewers' engagement while also promoting positive interaction. Next, create a channel trailer. This is a brief and engaging video that introduces new viewers to your channel. It's your chance to make a strong first impression. Optimize for watch time. The longer viewers stay on your channel, the higher your videos will rank. Create engaging content that keeps viewers watching. Embed your YouTube videos in blog posts. This not only drives traffic to your channel, but also enhances your blog content. End your videos with a strong call to action. This could be asking viewers to like, share, or subscribe. A strong CTA can significantly boost engagement. Promote your channel, use social media, collaborations, and other platforms to get the word out about your channel. Optimize your channel page. Make it easy for viewers to navigate and find your content. Now let's move on to a couple of bonus tips. First, the social media preview. Share a sneak peek of your video on social media to pique interest and drive traffic. Second, include a subscribe link in your channel art. This is a simple and effective way to increase your subscriber count. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to skyrocket your YouTube channel. From power playlists to subscriber magnets. From optimizing your channel to engaging with your audience, these strategies are designed to help you succeed in the ever-competitive world of YouTube. Remember, consistency is key, and with these strategies in your toolkit, you're well on your way to YouTube success.